Hi, this is Scarlet from CRUKING. Today I'm really excited to introduce the Caterpillar 336D behind me. Instead of introducing the machine in the factory, we came to a real construction site to see how the machine works.
So, let's get started by introducing you the 336D, which is new contender from Caterpillar on the 33 class ton of excavators. It has a working weight of 33.75 tons and the bucket capacity of 1.6 cubic meters. It has a dedicated chassis that takes the tread gauge of the 336D with 2.59 meters. It has a tread length of 4.59 meters that takes the 336D excavators that produces 268 of pure horsepower. This model promises improved reliability, fuel consumption reduction, and a stylish new look. World-class comfort levels ensure that operators stay productive during full-day operation, and ground-level surface access reduces the time taken to carry out routine surface and maintenance. The 336D builds on the success of the 320 and the 323 machines. What we have now is a platform that is productive and efficient. This is achieved through many features including the new valve, new air filter systems, as well as less hydraulic horses on the machine. The 336D comes with the new CAT C9 ACERT engine. What does that mean? The new C9 ACERT pumps out 268 horsepower. This fantastic cooling system is cooled by a reversible hydraulically driven fan. This ensures that the fins stay nice and clean when they are needed. That's all today. Thank you for watching this vlog and see you next time. Bye bye.